Hope you guys heard that. Hope you guys heard the pops. It's gonna be popping, clanging. What up? It's Luis again. Haven't posted in a while, but there's like a little update. Right now, I'll tell you guys where I'm going. I'm going to go take pictures of this horse. I kind of take pictures on the side. I like taking pictures of cars. Obviously, I'm just starting. Not a lot of people book me, so I haven't had a lot of people to take pictures of cars. But about a month ago, I took pictures of this Miata, and his wife reached out and was like, "Hey, can you take pictures of my horse?" And I was like, "Heck yeah!" So we're on the way over there. I have like a chest mount, so you guys can see the POV, and then we'll talk about my projects with this truck. I haven't posted because I don't really have any upgrades or mods for it right now. I've been waiting up and save up a little bit because either I'm gonna lift it, Rams tires, excuse me, get like some 37s up in here, or I'm Whipple it, I'm a Supercharger it, right? Those two are the options, and I've just been waiting to save up. We're gonna go off the line right here. So I was like, might as well turn around the camera for you guys to hear. Not as fast, right? Still pretty much stock, no tune, nothing. Like I said, I'm waiting for all that. I was like, might as well just not spend the money on that right now and get the Whipple. But I am planning on getting headers. It's probably be the next thing I do before the Whipple. But yeah, this is me just trying to post so you guys stay updated, because I haven't posted like 2 weeks or 3, but we're on our way. We should and come out, give you guys that POV, and we'll talk more about the truck. All right, so see you guys over there. This place real quick. You got ponies. They have a goat. I want a cow, dude. I like cows. They ain't got no cows over here. Oh my gosh, look at these horses. Oh my gosh. The guy donkey, y'all. Look at that. I wanna go pet it. Look at these horses, dude. It's gonna be lit. Okay. Peace out.
Raven. Ooh. I wonder if I should. She's trying so hard. She's like, I really want to.
It makes you more comfortable. Come on. Nope. Yep. Go.
Really? You're gonna go into my hand? Yep. Are you working on the tomorrow.
Fine, go that way. I don't want you going over it yet. I will. There. I know, I didn't warm you up to it. Figure it out. Come on.
Oh,
There we go. Good girl. Good girl.
that was a cute little jump. She jumps like Hunter with the arch back. Good girl.
I won't let her get you. Don't worry.
No, I'm good.
Mommy, and
Oh, we're stepping it up now.
oh, that looks so good. Abby,
Oh,
the
yeah.
photo turned out really good.
Yeah, you're nice and sweaty.
It's so good.
Oh yeah, you got her knees up. That's cute.
Oh, that's so pretty.
There's the goats, and then there was 2 emus, but the dogs got out and got one of them. So.
Oh, no way. Alright. Back in the truck. Just got done. 320. Put some of the POV footage so you guys can see it. It's cool, dude. From just, you know, getting to take pictures of a couple cars to having this experience of photographing horses like a live animal. So cool. They made her jump over a log and it was dope. So it was pretty cool. But coming back to the car, like I said, just haven't done anything crazy to the car. Just like some visual mods, I guess. So nothing crazy. That's why I haven't uploaded. Haven't had anything that I think would be interesting for you guys to watch. So that's it. But planning on getting a supercharger, or maybe get the lift kit. It will be a 4-inch lift kit, some nice rims, and then some 37s on this thing. It's gonna make it super slow. But with all of that, we can probably go to Ocala and jump this thing and not be scared about jumping it. Because I've been invited down there a couple of times and I just haven't wanted to go because I'm scared of breaking the car or something, bro. So comment what you guys want. If you guys would like to see either way, I'm gonna get both, you know. The build is an off-road kind of pre-runner truck that's still fast. So I'm still gonna put the supercharger in it. I'm still gonna get the lift and the rims and the tires and all that and the body kit. But it's just like, what do I want to do first? Either the supercharger or the lift with the rims and wheels. But I think before that, I'm gonna get some long tube headers, and obviously I'll make a video about that. Maybe I'll test it out. Might put like a Valvetronic exhaust on this thing, so it's not super loud in the morning. Cause I wake up like at 5 in the morning, and so I wake up at 5 in the morning and I turn on this car and it wakes my, I'm pretty sure, well, I don't know if it wakes my neighbors up, but I don't want it to, you know, it's loud. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see. Alright, I'm brainstorming a lot of ideas, so I'll probably post soon. Alright, I'm Luis, man. I don't have a message for you guys today. Just, you know, keep doing what you're doing. Whatever type of season of life you're in. I'm currently in a season of life where I don't know what I'm doing, and you know what our future looks like because there's some stuff going on. But you know, you just gotta stay faithful. God already has a plan laid out. You just gotta acknowledge that plan and follow it. So stay blessed. That is going fast as heck. Alright, peace out. Oh, share it to your friends, bro. Share it to your friends, alright? Okay. Okay, bye, I guess.